Hello guys, and welcome to another Hackerrank video. Today we're going to be solving cats and a mouse. Two cats and a mouse are at various positions on the line. You'll be given their starting positions. Your task is to determine which cat will reach the mouse first, assuming the mouse doesn't move and the cats travel at equal speed. If the cat arrive at the same time, the mouse will be allowed to move and it will escape while they fight. You are given Q queries in the form of X, Y, and Z, representing the respective positions for cats A and B and for mouse C. Complete the function cat and mouse to return the appropriate answer to each query, which will be printed on a new line. If cat A catches the mouse first, print cat A. If cat B catches the mouse first, print cat B. If both cats reach the mouse at the same time, print mouse C as the cats fight and the mouse escapes. For example, cat A is at position X equals 2 and cat B is at Y equals 5. If mouse C is at position 4, right, then it is 2 units away from cat A and 1 unit away from cat B, which means that cat B will catch the mouse. So all we're looking at is taking the difference between the positions and figuring out which one is actually closest to the mouse, and whichever one is closest to the mouse gets the mouse. If both positions are the same, then the mouse actually escapes as the cats fight. So the mouse is going to go ahead and live. Right, so this problem is really easy. So what I'm going to do is just implement the solution for it. All right. So what we need to do is take the absolute values. So I'm going to say int cat A. Let's do this. Let's import static java.lang math.apps here, so that I can kind of condense this a little bit. So we'll do apps. It's going to be x minus z, and then for cat B is going to be apps y minus z. So I guess we can. So we need to do some if statements here, but we can shorten this out. So let's do return if cat A and cat B are at the same spot. Cat B at the same spot, then the mouse gets to escape. So we need to return mouse C, right? Else, if cat A has the lowest value from the mouse, or the minimal distance from the mouse, then cat A gets to eat the mouse. So that is less than cat B. Then we print out cat A. Else cat B has the minimal distance, so we print out cat B. And this is it for this. So it's a very easy problem. And we submit. Alright guys, this will be it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.